Allah will move mountains. The same Allah that split the ocean in half for Musa, the same Allah that split the moon for Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam, the same Allah that stopped the land from its earthquake when Umar ibn al-Khattab hit it, the same Allah that gave life to the dead for Isa alayhi salatu wassalam, the same Allah that made the Nile River flow once more, is the same Allah that's waiting for your next dua. You just got to become like Isa, become like Musa, become like Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, become like Umar ibn al-Khattab, become like these people, and you watch and see if Allah won't do for you what He did for them.